Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the agricultural world to explore the highly anticipated 2025 Massey Ferguson 7600 Combine Harvester. This machine is set to revolutionize farming practices with its advanced features and exceptional performance. The 2025 Massey Ferguson 7600 Combine Harvester is designed to meet the evolving needs of modern farmers. Built with a focus on efficiency and reliability, it promises to enhance productivity during the critical harvest season. At the heart of this combine harvester is a robust AGCO power engine. Known for their durability and fuel efficiency, these engines ensure that the 7600 operates smoothly even under demanding conditions. The turbocharged 6-cylinder engine provides optimal power and torque, making it capable of handling various crops with ease. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is the DYNA 6 transmission system. This 24-speed, semi-powershift gearbox offers seamless gear changes, allowing operators to maintain optimal speed and efficiency in the field. The DYNA 6 transmission is renowned for its reliability and ease of use, making it a favorite among farmers. The hydraulic system of the 7600 has been engineered to handle modern implements that demand high performance. With an impressive lift capacity of up to 7,100 kilograms, this combine harvester can manage heavy-duty applications effortlessly. The advanced hydraulic flow ensures quick and precise responses, enhancing overall operational efficiency. Operator comfort is a priority in the 2025 Massey Ferguson 7600. The spacious, panorama cab design offers a 30% increase in visibility, providing operators with a clear view of their surroundings. Features like the OptiRide Plus cab suspension system automatically adjust to control bounce, roll, and pitch, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven terrains. The ergonomic layout of controls, including a multi-function joystick and an intuitive instrument panel, reduces operator fatigue during long working hours. In terms of grain handling, the 7600 is equipped with a high-capacity grain tank, allowing for extended operation without frequent unloading. The efficient threshing system ensures minimal grain loss and maintains the quality of the harvested crop. Additionally, the gentle handling of straw preserves its quality, making it suitable for baling and other uses. The 2025 model also emphasizes ease of maintenance. The design includes easy access service points, reducing downtime and ensuring that the combine harvester remains in optimal condition throughout the harvest season. The cooling package has been designed for ultimate engine efficiency, ensuring that the machine operates at optimal temperatures even during prolonged use. Technological advancements in the 7600 include pre-wiring for auto-steering systems and telemetry solutions like Ag Command. These features enable remote monitoring and management of the combine harvester, allowing farmers to optimize performance and make informed decisions based on real-time data. As for the expected price, while specific figures for the 2025 Massey Ferguson 7600 Combine Harvester have not been officially released, it's anticipated to be competitively priced within the market. For the most accurate and up-to-date pricing information, it's recommended to contact your local Massey Ferguson dealer. In conclusion, the 2025 Massey Ferguson 7600 Combine Harvester combines advanced technology, robust engineering, and operator-centric design to deliver a machine that's ready to meet the challenges of modern agriculture. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current equipment or expand your farming operations, the 7600 is poised to be a valuable asset in your fleet. Thank you for joining us on Car Updater. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest advancements in agricultural machinery and equipment.